Hey, mystery hustlers. So I received a couple of requests to show companies that are working with people who reside in Canada. I did some research and I'm going to show you guys seven of them. So you can go right ahead from the description box below or in the comment section and click on the link for each of these actual companies. I'm going to do a quick overview on each of them, but always remember you are never paying to be a mystery shopper. Do not cash a check from anybody if you have not done an actual mystery shop, and you do not need to pay to get training to be a mystery shopper. It's all free. We're just going to get money and have fun. So the first company I'm going to bring to you is Mystery Shopping Canada. They have been in business since 1996. When I go to a website for a new mystery shopping company, I like to look for a few things. Most importantly, an FAQ, because it typically outlines some questions they have received from previous people, like when I will be paid, how I will be paid, an understanding of the type of shops you actually have available to me that I will figure out if I want to do or not. I like to have all those questions kind of answered before moving forward. But one thing to note is you have a scam alert here. I would click on that to see what information they're going to provide for you, because many people like to do a word play on a name and add extra things, and then we overlook it. So this is Mystery Shopping Canada, but if you go to information here, it says Mystery Shopping Canada Inc. That is not them. They added extra words, and yeah, that can, throw you off if you're new. Just always make sure. And if you're not sure, give them a call, because over here they have a contact button and they have a phone number and everything for you to basically get those questions answered. So if you're ever in doubt, contact the company to get clarification, or your scheduler for that actual shop. So going back to the shopper tab, we have the information part, and this lets you know about more about the scam, and the click on this button here to become a shopper. Also, you have the apply now button right here. And when you click on that, it takes you here for more information about this scam and how not to fall for any. And then this is where you will click on to go directly to their mystery shop platform to sign up, and more information here. So this seems like a company I would definitely check out. Again, you never have to pay to be a shopper, and any checks you get in the mail, just proceed with caution. Contact the company who sent it to you to verify if they did send you that check, only after you have completed a mystery shop, never before. Company number two is MSP Canada, and they make it seem as though on the website right away you're going to be doing some shopping, maybe in a strip mall, maybe in some high retail locations, but let's keep on looking around. Again, I love when they have beware of fake jobs, shopper login, become a shopper. Everything is on this front page for you. You don't have to do no kind of searching, and I like that it's like literally in your face. Let's go to the top. We do have an FAQ here. Always reviewed an FAQ. All right, they give you some information here, how to become a shopper. You can bring your kids, how you're paid, refusing shops, traveling. Okay, I do like this information here. All right, let's go back and let's do become a shopper. All right, so perfect. You can earn $10 to $40 per shop assignment. You can get many things, and as you see here, you can get paid to eat free at restaurants, buy clothes, go to the movies, get free groceries, get free gas. Everyone needs gas and love free gas. You can do amusement parks, you can get books. I mean, this one is like an everything in one type of shop, and I like that because in Americas, I realized that many companies don't have this much into one. I know there's one company that's strictly only for amusement parks. I know I have another company that's only for banking, and so on and so forth. But they give you a lot of information, which makes me confident that coming with this company would not be an issue or problem. Let's look at payments. You are able to be paid by direct deposit, PayPal, or check. If you do choose the check option, make sure you contact them to verify they sent you the check and to see if they can give you the actual check number, because again, this is how scams happen. People who pretend to be a company will send you a check, and it may not be from the actual company. But of course, only after you have completed a mystery shop and you are expecting a check from the company, not before, and not just some random check in the mail. So, yeah, they have information here as well. So, yeah, I will definitely look into, if I was in Canada, I would definitely sign up for this company right here. They have a lot to offer and a lot of great information. Number 3, we have Shoppers Confidential, and as you see here, it lets you know right away. You can expect you have some retail type of mystery shops here. We're going to go ahead and do our little look. They have a YouTube channel, which is always great. If they have social media, follow their social media, browse their social media. This is where they do mostly advertise about their new jobs if they definitely can't find shoppers to do it, and if they have any type of special programs they're doing as well. So if you have a company that have a social media presence, make sure you're looking into them, especially if you like doing jobs for them. All right, so we see they're located in Toronto and Edmonton, Canada. It's their full service. And let's see. Okay, they have 300,000 shoppers in the system. They have 12,500 locations across the globe. Wow. So you can possibly do things in other countries as well. All right. So let's go to become a shopper. Click on that. And we're going to look for an FAQ if we can find one, information about money if we can find one. All right. So they're again located in Toronto. All right. Information about why to sign up. All right, so they do have some requirements. You have to be fluent in English, fluent in French for French assignments. Again, the basic, remember details, have access to a computer or the internet, a smartphone, and they only pay via PayPal, so you will need to have a PayPal account to work for this company. I know some people don't like PayPal, so if that is a problem for you, this company will not be for you. Here is an email for any questions about open opportunities. I always recommend jotting that down as well. And here is some information, FAQs. I love an FAQ. They talk about independent contractor, PayPal. All right, when can I expect payment for my assignments? So it says here we pay our shoppers on the 15th of the month following and the last day of the month in which shops were successfully completed. There is at least a 14-day buffer between your approved submissions and your payments. For example, shops submitted and approved between the 1st and the 15th will be paid on the last day of the month or the next business day. Shops submitted and approved between the 16th and the last day of the month will be paid on the 15th of the following month or the next business day. So pretty much it takes that long because when you submit a shop to your scheduler, they have to then send it over to the business who will look at the information, make sure it sounds right, make sure they can verify it because if they have cameras, they will pull them up. They will make sure you went there. You're not just fabricating your report, so on and so forth. But yes, this one I would definitely like to also say I would sign up for if I was a mystery shopper in Canada due to all they have available. Next one we have is SQM, which stands for Sensors Quality Management Inc. So going over the front page, basic sales information. This regards to people, well, businesses who want to come in and get their services. So become an SQM representative is over here on the side. They also have a YouTube at the very top of the page. I see they have a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also a LinkedIn. You do have feed from their actual Twitter account here, and that's always great. Always review their social medias. Now, another thing I liked about this company is if you go to the programs and services tab here, over inspection, you see that they offer you many ways to make money, not just by mystery shopping. You can become a brand and evaluator, a loss prevention program. They have some integrity inspection shops, some audits, and some other type of ways, again, to bring in some extra coins. Then you go down to the market research. Well, this one allows you to do surveys, focus groups, rap sessions, and other programs. Then you go down again to the field service area, and they have another area here where you can learn about merchandising. So this one company gives you multiple ways to make money if you find that there are not many mystery shop jobs to actually take advantage to make enough money. You have other ways to do so. Clicking on join our team here on the side takes you to their application. Now, this is very straightforward. And then once you are done with that, you will click on join our team. So with this company, I like the opportunities of having so many ways to make money because mystery shop jobs are not always available. People do scoop them up, especially if it have a high value with completing that shop. So yeah, this one is one I would definitely look into. This one is the next one we're going to talk about. So we're going to go right to become a mystery shopping as this contains all the information we are looking for. When you click on this, it gives you one of those overviews about sign up 5 minutes, shop form, while you sign up, what you can expect, hassle free payments, total flexibility, and support from your schedule. Now, let's get down to what kind of work you can be expecting from this company. So, they have mystery shop. Merchandising, price and data collection, as well as being a brand ambassador. I always recommend and encourage people who are looking to get into this area of earning money as a side hustle. Don't rely 100% on mystery shopping, even though it's a great way to earn money, but it is not always consistent and you won't always be able to find anything. So, being a merchandiser, being a brand ambassador, or so forth, just test the waters, take one job, see if you like it. And if you don't, you don't have to do it again, but at least you tried and you get the opportunity to see other ways you can make money, especially if the company you're already doing mystery shops for offer it. Now, here it talks about how to get paid. They do payments every month via PayPal. Now, if you don't like PayPal, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this company does offer alternative payment methods. Once you do your first mission or assignment, you will definitely need to speak to your scheduler who can discuss those alternative payments methods with you, which, as we know from history, will include a check or gift card or any other type of way for you to get paid for your mission. Now, they want to give you some confidence in the company being legit, and they send you to Google reviews and also their Facebook page as well. So clicking on the sign up now button, it will take you right over to their portal where you will put in your email that will take you to the form to fill out to start making money today. So this company I definitely would say will be a good option if I lived in Canada as well. It's giving you tons of ways to make money, very straightforward, and everything you can need information wise was present on the first and second pages. Is the next one. Last two I'm going to talk about. I have personally done shops for them as well here in the US, but they also cater to people in Canada. So a closer look has many different areas that you can see right here of their expertise, which means we as shoppers will be able to do shops for these. I love hotel mystery shops. You can get a free little vacation. I love free food and so on and so forth. So we have senior living, retail, self-storage, apartment shops, and also entertainment. So let's go right into become a mystery shopping to see what they have available for FAQ and other information. That's called Mystery Shopper Headquarters, and this is where I can expect to find all information regarding being a mystery shopper with them. They give you some 5 reasons why you should be a mystery shopper, which is great. But the FAQ, as you all know, is what I love to check out. And of course, they have the is this legit? Is it free? Can I turn down an assignment? And other things like that. I'm looking for payment. I'm looking for that information because it's always great to have up front, but it doesn't seem they have that available. Again, always be aware of scams. They have that there as well and tell you how you can make sure you don't fall victim to that. So let's do sign up now. Now here is their sign up form. It looks a little different, but it's still going to ask you for the same information. You come down here, click on Canada, and then it will take you to your Providence and then so on and so forth. Here is that lasted this long in my video. I truly appreciate you, and you're definitely going to make a lot of money by having all this information available to you as a future or current mystery shopper. Market Force is one I have done many, many shops for, and I like that they offer you the opportunity to make money in different ways. On their homepage, if you go to services, you see they have mystery shopping, surveys, they have merchandising, and site audits that translates to what we will have available to us to earn more money by doing those type of things for this company. Now, finding out how to become a shopper with this company is not straightforward. Like, it's not in your face because if you go to login, it says shopper login. However, if you are new, don't have a login. So it should have information on how to become a shopper. Where do you find that? At the very bottom of the page. Over here on become a shopper. This needs to be moved in my opinion because people who are not familiar would think it's not available to really see. It's not right there in your face. So going to their become a shopper page, you have information here again. Like they all do, give you more information about what you can receive as a mystery shopper, how it works, questions and answers, type of thing. And they do have a social media. As again, always go over there and look at the social media. They are A rated on BBB, and Mystery Shopping Provider Association is where you would want to go at if you ever have a question regarding a mystery shop company. I will do a video on that as well so you can always be in the know and informed before becoming or signing up to any company. You are able to create a Market Force information shopper account and you will just follow everything on here. And I do thank you for checking out this video. I hope it was very informative and gave you some insight on where you can go as a person living in Canada to be a mystery shopper.